everyone, welcome again. Hope you are doing well. On special request, I am going to make veg pizza and paneer pizza. So let's get started. First, I am going to make a pizza dough. For that, here I have 2 cup all-purpose flour and 1 cup whole wheat flours. Add some salt. Mix it. Here I have half cup warm water. Add some sugar, about half teaspoon. Mix it properly. And then add 1 spoon dry yeast. If you don't have yeast, then you can add half teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Mix it. And rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add yeast. And make good dough. Add some water. After 15 minutes kneading, my dough is ready. Apply some oil. Make a good ball. Knead for 10 to 15 minutes. It's more important. Make a nice good ball. You can rest for overnight also, but today I am going to rest for 1 hour. Cover with damp cloth and rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, I am going to make pizza sauce. For that, add some oil. Once oil heat, then add finely chopped garlic. Mix it. Then add finely chopped onion. Add some salt. Now I am going to add tomato puree. Here I am using medium size 5 to 6 tomato. Don't need blanch the tomatoes, just take raw tomatoes and make a fine puree. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon red chili powder, and half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon vinegar. Mix it properly. And cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now pizza topping sauce is ready. I have added 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup for sweetness. It should be thickened like this. You have to stir it continuously and reduce the sauce. Now keep aside and let it cool. You can see our dough is grown in size. It is almost double. And now make a pizza base. Take it out. Make 2 balls like this. Take it one. And just put some flowers. press with the fingers. I'm making second pizza base. Just press with the finger like this. Don't use a rolling pin for the making pizza dough. And here I have a pizza tray greased with butter. Press with the finger. This is ready. Now prick with the fork like this. Then add some olive oil. Now add our prepared pizza topping sauce, tangy and spicy. I have here fresh mozzarella cheese, and if you don't get this fresh mozzarella cheese, then you can use whatever you get. And now I'm using mozzarella cheese. Just put like this. And I have here this topping, green and black olives, onion slice, I cut it into the like this, and fresh mushrooms, bell peppers, red, yellow and green, and this is basil leaves. If you don't have mushrooms, then you can use here paneer, corn. Okay, now I'm going to putting the mushroom. Some bell peppers, don't overcrowd here with veggies. And add some olives. Some basil leaves. Now add some olive oil. Actually, I forgot to add onions. Add some onion rings and some salt. And now I'm going to add Parmigiano cheese. Just spray. Now this is our first veg pizza is ready. Here are two pizzas are ready. This is Paneer Pizza and this is Veg Pizza. See? Already preheated this oven, and now I'm going to put on 180 degrees Celsius and fan mode is on. And now I'm going to put the pizza. Our first pizza is upper side and second pizza is down side. Now bake for 10 to 15 minutes. In between 10 minutes, I'm going to change the position of the pizzas so that both pizzas are baked evenly. I have changed the position of pizzas and sending them back. Now 15 minutes is complete and I'm going to take it out. Our paneer pizza is ready. And here you go, second pizza. Second pizza is also ready. Looking yummy. See, our veg pizza is ready. I checked in between, but it was not ready. Then I bake it again, and it total take 25 minutes. Cut it with the pizza cutter. Oh, wow! Now you can see. Ready? Now add some chili flakes and some oregano and take. Looking yummy. Now paneer pizza is ready. Add some olive oils, some chili flakes and some oregano. And enjoy with homemade pizza. Please give it try this recipe and share your experience through comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.